really what do you call it, thumb game. Both the game played well. Unfortunately, there was no red card, so there were 10-man game in the first half itself. So, but the whole match was good, and we can see the amount of people coming over here for this tournament. It looks amazing to see, and we have to have more and more of the village level tournaments. This will bring all the villages together.
So when is the final, sir?
The finals is on 24th on Sunday between FC Seoli, another one of the best teams, and along with Sintadenia Solda. They'll be playing at 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Any message?
Actually, all the people, all football lovers, come to watch this game, and you can enjoy this game and then have a gala land on the coastal of Arkolva beach. Thank you.
Final category, Aitara Visakh 24 तारखेर. या टुर्नामेंटची फायनल category, Aitara Visakh 24 तारखेर. फायनली खेळतात फुटबॉल क्लब शिवोली आणि आयके मध्ये जिंकणार Aitara Visakh 24 तारखेर. या टुर्नामेंटची फायनल मॅच फुटबॉल क्लब शिवोली आणि आयके मध्ये जिंकणार. इस मैच में आज असला बराली ट्रस्टचे एमएलए कॅप्टन रणजीत यादव त्याचपरी हाजीर असलेले जेएफएसचे प्रेसिडेंट कोलवा 100,000 रुपया, मारुति 3,000 रुपया आणि ऑस्ट्रेलिया फ्रान्सिस्को फेर्नांडिस 3,000 रुपया. या सगळ्या मित्रांचा अर्थ कार्यक्रम म्हणतात.
वसन शिनगाड
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.